Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. This video is going to be filmed in reverse, unfortunately. So sometimes I get kind of busy and tied up in the office in there, and customers drop off their trucks to get done, and sometimes I'm not out there filming. So I'm going to show you some parts that we're going to put on this new 3500. Alright, the truck you saw in the last clip is getting this 9-inch McGaughys lift kit. This is a fully custom painted, powder coated lift kit. Everything from the cross member to the upper control arms to the traction bars, everything is this gray silver color here that matches the truck. The inserts in everything have been gloss blacked. The inserts inside the traction bars here, the inserts inside the front kicker braces or strut tensioners, whatever you want to call it, are black. Cross member looks very, very sharp. I love this alternate look to the McGaughys kit. When you see them in black all the time, it's nice to see a little bit difference. Here's the torsion bar drops. They turned out amazing. This is for a regular of ours, CJ. You've seen a couple of his trucks on my channel already. The last one was an F250 on 28s with a striker kit. This is really his first McGaughys kit ever, and I'm super, super glad that he's trying it, because I know he's going to like the way this truck drives compared to like the Super Duties. You can put thousands and thousands of dollars on a Super Duty and it still drives like a Super Duty. When you drive a GMC or a Chevy HD, like a 2500 or 3500, they always ride amazing, even after the lift kit. Excuse the mess in our junk room here, but this is the horn that's going on this truck. It's the horn blasters. It's the biggest one they sell. I don't know which model they call it or whatever, but this is the most expensive one that I've seen from Horn Blasters. Has the big tank, has the looks like six horns on it. That's pretty massive, and it has this cool carrier right here that goes up underneath the truck to hold everything together. That ought to be a really cool addition to the truck. So I'm walking by our Chevy 3500 dually build over here, and I know we don't have the wheels and tires for it yet, so that makes sense why they're doing this, but it caught me off guard a little bit looking at it. They've got the front factory dually wheels put on this truck backwards, and they're doing that because the tires hit the control arms if they don't, so this is the only way we can get the truck to actually roll right now. But take a look at this and tell me how you like it. wanted to throw it in the video that if you guys recognize the center cap on this wheel from one of my last videos, yes, we did build an F250 maybe 6 months ago for a CJ. We did this custom center cap with the A-Town 2 fingers down on the cap, and he went ahead and did it again on this new build on this Chevrolet. Well, we're not quite finished up with the 2024 Denali Ultimate 3500 dually build yet, but we're getting close. They've got the wheels and tires on it. The center caps aren't on yet, but there's your 28-inch JTX Vanquish with black and color matched inserts. Well, not inserts, this would be the windows. Match the truck. The entire truck's been color matched. The suspension is all color matched. McGaughys. This thing's nice. We have the dually truck is done. This is a 2024 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate 3500 with dual rear wheels. This truck is one of those that only comes around a couple of times a year. It's absolutely clean in every possible way. The lift kit matches the truck matches the wheels, the center caps float, they have custom designs on them. This is for CJ. As you guys have probably heard his name a couple of times on my channel, CJ is a regular customer of ours that comes in a couple times a year and builds a truck with us. He has really good taste. He lets me choose a lot of things on the truck. So he told me he wanted to switch because he bought a Ford last time. He wanted to switch to a GM truck because they do drive better. I've heard from everybody, and I've driven the trucks, and firsthand I'll tell you that they drive better. So he came in on this one and got some 28-inch JTX wheels, some 38-inch Furies, and a 9-inch McGaughys kit with all the upgrades. Tell me what you think about the truck. It's a nice one. I really don't even know where to start other than the paint is color matched all the way around the truck. You have your color matched fender flares. He has some custom Ultimate decals put right there and painted around. He has the bumper done. The lower valence, everything that could be color matched is color matched. You know, this is the Denali Ultimate, so it comes with this dark Vader chrome grille, which is very, very sharp. I like it a lot. It's got the mirrors done. Everything's done. We'll start with the lift kit. This is the 9-inch McGaughys lift kit. This is their upper control arm with their ball joint caps right here. These are custom painted. They normally come like polished, like a silver color. And these normally come in that stainless steel color, but these are black. He did not want the McGaughys shocks, so what he did on this one was the Fox reservoir shocks. He just likes the way the shock looks better, so Not saying that it's a better shock than McGaughys, but he just liked the way it looked better, so that's what we did. He got the kicker braces right here, custom powder coated with black inserts. The torsion bar drop right here, powder coated, black inserts. And we have our traction bars back here to match everything. Of course, there's your Fox shock in the rear. Overall, it's a very, very nice color-oriented truck. Everything matches. Bring you up to the wheels. This is the 28-inch JTX Forged Vanquish. If you notice the custom engraving on the side, this is his last name, Carringer. And then on the other side, you have your JTX Forged center cap. This is the same design we used on the Ford 250. If you guys saw the white truck we did on 28-inch JTXs, this is the same design. It's A-town down, floating caps. Not gonna lie, I just about panicked. There was something on the wheel. I thought it was a scratch, but it's like some wax or something like that. But anyways, there's your A-town floating center caps for your 28-inch JTX Forged Vanquish wheels. We did the 38, 1350, 28 Fury MT. This is the only tire, in my opinion, to run on these dually trucks like this. It's a 12 ply, so it still airs up to, you know, at least 65 or 80 pounds and hauls a bunch of weight. This is what you need for the truck. This truck has the factory power steps with it. Very, very nice. There's the interior. Of course, there's my drone. But anyways, the interior, you get that brown leather as usual on the Denali Ultimate. It's amazing. Big screen in the front. This truck has already been done for a few days. He picked the truck up from me last weekend. And I'm getting a chance to do my final clips on the video. So that's why you see a little dirt on the edges here and there. But that dually wheel in the rear looks amazing. What's cool about JTX is they line up the wheels perfectly on the design. So if you look in here, if you see a high quality dually wheel, these should line up. The spokes should line up in them. A lot of the cheaper wheel brands haven't mastered that yet, so you'll notice that now that I said something about it. Here's a shot from the rear of the truck. She's wide. Let me know what you think in the comments about this truck. What's better? Is it a dually or a single rear wheel truck? What do you like better? Personal opinions. My opinion is I think I like the dually better. I don't know if I'd want it for everyday driving, but overall the truck's amazing. Look at that front end. You can't really beat that. Anyways, I'm in McDonough, Georgia at Southern Tire. Phone number here is 678-994-9180. Call me. I'll be here every day, Monday through Friday. Appreciate it.